Good morning. What's up, guys? So today is going to be another crazy day in the dough house. Right now I am cooking bacon. I'm going to cook some M&M pancakes. Then after that, I'm going to do some laundry. Pat Christian's bag up because he's going camping with his auntie and his cousin. And then tonight, the hubs and I are headed out to dinner and to a hotel for the night. Now, meanwhile, while I'm doing this, I placed an order for Instacart last night, hoping it would be in for dinner time. And it won't be until between 10 and 11 this morning. It is 8:47 a.m. But I replaced that mini order that I placed it into the cart last night, right here. It's really starting to set in. Christian's going away for the weekend. It's been about 4 months since I've been away from my baby. So, it's going to be a lot tough. But we'll make it through it. I'm just packing up now. So as you can see, Christian's got his favorite towels, his sneakers, his clothes, his bathing suits in there as well. He'll have fun, that's all that matters. This is the suitcase for Rodney and I. For our night alone. Trying not to be emotional. I love the suitcase though. American Tourister. I will show you both suitcases what they look like after I get it all packed up. Just the towels, bathing suits. Still packing up, as you can tell. So this is funny. Welcome to 2020. You gotta bring a face mask to go on vacation. Alright, so I told you to give you guys a little glimpse at what these suitcases look like. This is the Paw Patrol one. That was actually an Easter gift to Christian from his aunt and uncle a couple years back when we went to Disney World as a big family. So it was inside. This is the front. This then has this pocket here, where as you can tell it's kind of dying away because it's a couple of years old. And then here's this big side pocket here, which you can tell. That's as far as downside goes. The little Paw Patrol symbols. It has this pocket up here where you can extend or put down the carrying part. The handle, I should say. That's that. This is bubble bath. At least it was. What? At least it was only bubble bath. It could have been worse. You could have farted. It could have been worse.
Either one of these years.
That you can't even plug in your coffee. TV won't power on. Oh, TV finally powered on, okay. Window. Yeah. Top of that, shower pressure sucked.
What?
The shower pressure sucks. When you take a shower, you didn't even feel like you were getting clean.
Yeah, I'm not coming back.
No. You can smell the watermelon already. It smells refreshing. I love it.
Get the battery from him.
Hold on, I'm trying to wipe off my makeup.
Oh my god.
Okay, first time using a face mask. Bought this one from Target, the ES2 watermelon light hydration paper mask. Says unfold it, put it in your face, leave it on for 10 minutes. Let's see how it works. This one here was $3.99.
It's gotta go back. Not the right one.